What's going on, guys? Angelo here, coming to you with another automotive video. Today I'm going to be putting a new LED dome light in my Toyota 2018 RAV4. That's the LE edition. I don't think that changed anything for this car, like the model or anything, but basically I'm going to be installing this dome light. I just wanted to do this installation really quick. I already have the LEDs on the map lights as well as the trunk and the mirror lights as well. The only reason I wasn't able to do the dome light earlier was because it was just a different size and I didn't have that with the pack that I bought off of Amazon. I'll leave that one in the link description below for like the map lights, and I'll also leave this one in the link description below as well. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. So really quick, this is what it looks like. Again, this is super bright LED by Sylvania. Got this at AutoZone. Price for this all together was about $11.05. I literally just needed one of these. I didn't want to get a whole pack of these. I don't need a whole pack, as again, it's just for this one dome light as you see here. And I'll go ahead and show you the difference. Those are the LEDs as you see up front, and they look amazing. And check out what these like crappy bulbs that came with the car. They're these amber lights. I don't mind it. It's just not bright enough in my opinion. Look at those. It's so nice. And these just look like those old street lights. So we're going to switch that out. All you're going to need for this is literally one of these, a flathead. And you can also use a trim removal. I'll leave a kit down in the link description below. But honestly, all you need is this. It doesn't take much work. All right, so here's the LED one. Also, I do recommend you might want to get a pair of gloves if you really want to, just in case you had it on like that. It shouldn't be hot. I had it off basically the whole ride till I got home. But we'll go ahead and open it up now. I'm gonna use this Phillip you see here and just push in, and it should pop right out. There's little mocks right there. They have them on each side, and your car probably will too. But they're just little holes that actually are so you can pop it off, and we'll go ahead and do that now. But it doesn't take that much pressure. You see there's the first one, and then get the second one. Let's try to get that in that little hole. There we go. Boom. And there you have it. There's the old one. To pull it out, as you see, I'll go ahead and turn it on really quick. All right, so to get it out, all you have to do is hold on to there, and it's gonna pop out. It's actually gonna pop out pretty fast, so hopefully y'all can catch it. And there you have it. See, it pops out. It kind of sucks the way it comes out, but to get it out, you got to do it that way. I don't even know where. Oh, there it is. Okay. So here's the old one. That's the old one, and this is the LED one. I can't wait to see the difference. Now, this one doesn't have like a clear LED. It looks like a little foggy finish, which I don't mind because this is a dome light, so it doesn't need to be that bright. And I do have tint on the windows, lucky for me. But to install it, all you're going to go ahead and do is make sure you get it into the hole. You make sure you align it in that hole. As you see, there's a little hole over there, and then you make sure you align it on this side, and we'll go ahead and do that now. All right, I think I got it in. Let's check it out. Yep, it's in. I'll go ahead and give you all a closer image. Unhook you all from the tripod. Check it out. Basically, it's actually a pretty tight fit to what I do like. And that way I don't even have to push this back out now. As you can see, it just pushes all the way into the other one. But it does fit, and I'm glad it does because I didn't want to have to go get another refund. But it was for the exact car. So if you just go to AutoZone and ask what car, or they'll find what car you have. If you just tell them the model and everything, your year, and they'll find the right part for you. You can go to any other automotive store as well, like Advanced Auto Parts or O'Reilly's or something. So yeah, but here we go. Super bright. Check out that one. Those are LEDs. I'm gonna go ahead and put this dome light on. This is the dome light as you see here. Shouldn't be too much work or effort. You're basically just doing everything in reverse. You're gonna go ahead and clip those in first and then click it in. So I'll go ahead and do that now. As you see, you clip it in just like so and push in hard. It should be able to take it. You heard that click? One more click. Boom, there you go. Now I have LED lights in all the car except the headlights. So the headlights, I had to get a replacement. I got the wrong part. I needed 9012 headlights, LED headlights, so they would go right. I thought I had originally bought fog lights by accident. I don't have fog lights on this car, But yeah, so this is what it looks like. We'll go ahead and check the whole package now. We'll check the trunk one, and I'll give you guys a tour really fast. All right, here we go. LEDs in the trunk. This is the back one. This is the dome light. Then you have those ones at the front. As you saw, those are going to be the mirror lights. So I'll show you all those in just a moment. We're going to go up close. These are the dome lights. Dome light. And then this is going to be the LEDs up here. Now these ones are all the same pair. Even the back one, like I said, these ones are really bright, which I'm kind of glad. And like I said, this one isn't as bright, but I will suffice with it because I don't mind. I don't need the back one super bright. I really just need these ones up front. Like I said, I'll leave everything in the link description below that I use. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I really appreciate it. If you want to join that O Squad, all you have to do is click the subscribe button. Y'all know what it is, that red button. And thanks for watching once again. Hope this was helpful. If it was, please share it. Until next time, you guys. Peace.